Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today, that is 16th of April. The day is Saturday. I'll be coming up live onto my YouTube channel Fun with Data Science at 10 p.m. in the night. So yes, today's live stream is gonna be at 10 p.m. in the night only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So what we'll be covering into that particular live stream? So the live stream, this will be a little bit of different from the previous ones which we had done up till now. The reason is that because this time we are coming up with a data analysis live project for you, in which we'll be using NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib. We'll be doing the data cleaning, data exploration, data modeling. All these things we'll be doing onto a data set. So today's live stream is gonna be for the data analysis using Python, right? This is the topic for today. So see you there in the live stream, and the link for the live stream is mentioned in the description. Do check that out and set out a reminder so that you do not miss out this live stream from my side. See you there in the live stream.